Nigeria and Ghana finally took their rivalry to the streets of London, and boy, it was chaotic.
We stole it.
It was problematic. When I saw a white Nigerian or a white man in a Nigerian jersey, I knew something crazy was about to happen.
How many people do you want to get off before the store?
You win that game, you win the Unity Cup. Is the Jollof argument over?
The Jollof argument never ends. So the Jollof argument, they go on and on until the end of time. But me, I know same and Jollof.
So it was supposed to be a Unity Cups match between the Super Eagles of Nigeria and the Black Stars of Ghana, and boy, it was chaotic. The train stations were packed. We were packed in the trains like sardines, literally.
Give me skinky, give me the kunu.
You see,
But you are telling me
you love Ghana.
I love Ghanaian now. Oh, that's why I'm wearing black here. To represent Black Star.
And your main man is not playing today.
We don't have a main man.
And gosh, the types of perfumes that were slapping my nose on this train. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful, I must say. So yeah, a few people arriving at the train station, then the stadium where the match is to be played. It's about to go down. If you guys pay close attention, then you'd see why my cousins, I call them my cousins, the beautiful people of Ghana, should not be trusted. You see that lady with the Nigerian flag? If you watched closely, just rewind back a bit, you will see the same lady holding a Ghanaian flag. So she came to the stadium with a Nigerian and a Ghanaian flag. So when Nigeria is performing well, she brings out the Nigerian flag. When Ghana is doing well, she brings out the Ghanaian flag. I think she's Ghanaian because I think I heard her speak Ghanaian or a Ghanaian language. I'm sure that was in Nigerian. So yeah. So when a Ghanaian tells you they have the best jollof or whatever that thing they cook is, this should tell you why my cousins, the beautiful people of Ghana, should not be trusted. Anyways, Nigeria started to torment Ghana, and I'm not even joking. It was ridiculous. That's one. I think this is another one. Yeah, that's another one. Then there is another one again, yet another one, like DJ Khaled says. I know that's not it all. There's another one. This we've not even scored at this point. We were just messing them up big time. Like, do you know you're messing with? I think this is the first one. This is the one that turned out to be the first goal for Nigeria. And what was interesting about all of this is all those numerous attempts, the goal, all of this humiliating of Ghana happened in the first 15 minutes of the game. All of that in the first 20 minutes. I'm not much of a football person, but I don't think that's acceptable. I don't think that's legal. I don't think that should be done to any team. Like, does that happen often? Is that normal? Why will anyone go through all of that in the first 20 minutes of the game? Anyways, let's just get back to the video, guys. Now, at this point, it was clear Super Eagles were after this keeper's life. I'm not even kidding at this point. Oh. So yeah, the game ended at 2-1 in favor of Nigeria. It could have been 5-1, it could have been 7-1 in fact, but it was 2-1. We can work with that.
Recognize, is that right? This what you like for the night? Hypnotize, tell me lies, I wouldn't mind for the night. I recognize, is that right?
Yeah. We had a good time. Amazing, beautiful people. It was actually beautiful seeing Ghanaians and Nigerians like having a good time. It's like, like siblings where they don't get along, but they love each other like crazy, but then they'll still be on each other's necks. I think that's like the relationship between Ghanaians and Nigerians. But like, beautiful people. I had a good time today. Looking forward to more of this kind of events where like Africans, Nigerians, Senegalese, Ghanaians, Ugandans, South Africans just come together and just have a good time and connect. It was really beautiful seeing everyone. I met a lot of people that I'd never seen in person, that we've always just seen on Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, and the rest. Like, it was beautiful. It was amazing. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is not my regular kind of video, but I just had a good time and I thought to share. So yeah, do enjoy. If you want more videos like this, let me know. You probably not get more videos like this. But yeah, it was a fun time. God bless Africa. See you in the next video. Bye.